sorry for the tears. It's not saying I don't need to go here. I made this letter last night. It's 4 pages long, so please bear with me. For you, my little boy, my little baby Angelo, from your forever girlfriend. Life without you before was just plain and simple. I wake up, eat my breakfast, go to work, hang out with friends, go home again and sleep. It was 6 days before my birthday when you came into my life. 3 days after I came to know your loving mom more. My auntie, and from then on, my life has been nothing but extraordinary. I made new friends, and my circle has been bigger. I was able to put up a run for hope, which I never thought I'd be able to because I wasn't that much of an organizer. OC lang talaga ako sa gamit. Sa gamit lang talaga organized. I attended a benefit dinner organized by your avid free home per Atenes. I got to share this campaign with my family and knew how much they love the ones I love. I thank my mom, my sister, and my aunt who continuously support me through this. I got to crack jokes and know Daddy Johnny more. I got to know that his serious face has a loving heart within. I got to know the chocolates could brighten up your mommy dad's day. I knew that mommy dad and Daddy Johnny were so sweet and can manage to smile and laugh as they share the struggle for you. That you have a very talented and loving Lola Julie, that you have a loving family, and most of all, I learned how to fight my own battles as I fight for you. As I visit you each weekend, I have been stronger and felt like a better person within. As we drew closer to being more than friends, I claimed you as my forever boyfriend. My little Angelo, my one and only baby boy. I wish I could have something. Basta I have been able to feel that you were there for me more than I have been to you. You were there when I was having the heaviest heart I could ever have. You diminished the grief within and let me realize that there are far more better things in life that all of us should be thankful for. That took away all the tears and pains in my heart. I'm sorry for letting you feel sad too, just because I was sad as well. I know how you had your fair share of pains and struggles in life compared to what I had. You fought a good fight until the end. You never gave up. Yes, you heard me. You never gave up. You gave hope in all of us and filled our hearts with much love, more than what we gave to you. All of us breathe hope with you. We left a mark in our hearts that we may never lose hope in times of distress. This is by far the greatest gift I've had in my life. Through your own little ways, your smirks and sounds you make when I'm around. The way you look kinikilig when I hold you, and the way you smile amidst the pain inside. I left I am left with awe as I see you fight each and every minute of your life. How you made your stay here on earth so meaningful, and how you have become an instrument to the lives you've touched. It's amazing how we were able to gather people together for only one aim and goal. To breathe hope with you as you became an instrument of love to them in return. Needless to say, our campaign didn't come to an end or it became a failure. No. Our campaign continues, and this time, more and more babies with the same endeavor as yours will be offered aid. Through you, we will be able to touch other people's lives as you touched ours. I will still be an addict to every kid you will encounter, and will love them the way as I have loved you. Sadly, we have to part ways for now. I hope to be in heaven another time. On the bright side of it, your pains have ended. Comfort is within your reach in God's loving arms. He made you the perfect instrument of love and made people realize that nothing is impossible. Tears roll down on our cheeks, but no, we're not grieving. We are just sad to lose you. But we cannot be selfish and let you be with God as what we wanted. Rest now, my dear angel, my little brother, your forever boyfriend. I'll always have your last tears imprinted on my heart. I will never forget you as you go to heaven. And I promise to make your family happy, especially your living parents. You have been tried and tested by life's struggles and they made it through. Now it's time for me to share my happiness with them as we continuously live our lives together as a family. All I need to say was thank you, my love, my dears, for letting me into your life. I will forever treasure all the times I've spent with you. Thank you for letting me be your girlfriend. Na choice naman talaga ni Kuya Johnny yun, pero buti okay lang sa'yo. Di naman ako kasi ganda at sexy ni Ate Ann. Pero okay na rin yun, buti pinagtsatsagaan mo, beautiful. And last night, I was in search of a perfect song that I could dedicate to you. Something uncommon, something different. And then I saw this. The song Will You Wait For Me by Cabana. I'll just recite the lyrics. All our time together just feels like yesterday. I never thought I'd see another day without you. And I promise not to feel this pain if I see you again. As time will pass me by, maybe I'll never learn to smile. But I know I'll make it through if you wait for me. And all the tears I've cried, no matter how I try, they'll never bring you home to me. So won't you wait for me in heaven? So long, till we meet again, my love. Baby John Angelo Viado, my forever boyfriend. Don't worry about your forever girlfriend. I'll be alright as long as you're in good hands, which I know you are. And you're in peace now. No pain, no ventilator, no tubes. Just play all day.